Hey everyone, I am fine and I hope you are also fine. Today I'm showing how to earn money online. 5 best way to earn money online at home and earn $1 million per month by short skills. So, let's get started. Earning $1 million online through short skills is a challenging goal, but it's not impossible. Here are 5 skills that, when mastered, can potentially help you generate income online. 1. Digital marketing. Learning how to effectively market products or services online through channels like social media, email marketing, and SEO can be lucrative. 2. Web development. Skilled web developers are in high demand. Learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can help you create websites for clients or personal projects. 3. Content creation. If you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or video production, you can monetize your skills through freelance work or platforms like YouTube, Medium, or Patreon. 4. E-commerce. Starting an online store and selling products through platforms like Shopify or Amazon FBA can be profitable if you choose the right niche and products. 5. Online course creation. Sharing your expertise on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can lead to a passive income stream over time if you create high-quality courses. Remember, success in these areas usually requires dedication, continuous learning, and patience. Building a substantial online income often takes time and effort. And last but not least, if you think this information could be useful to someone you know, please consider sharing this video with your friends and on your social media. Sharing is caring after all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!